Many young people today anchor their aspirations on white-collar jobs, but few realize that agriculture or even innovation around agriculture can provide decent and meaningful returns. What would happen if information technology meets agriculture? It is actually conceivable. David Opio and Gerard Otim just got ICT in contact with agriculture in a solution dubbed Ensibuuko.
So Ensibuuko is a mobile and web application that enables savings and credit cooperative societies, smallholder farmers, mobilize savings, disburse loans and collect loan repayments in an easy and quick way, using an SMS and mobile money platform. And what it simply does is that as long as a farmer has a phone, they will just use the ordinary SMS features of their phone to register to their SACCO, but also apply for a loan through their SACCO using the SMS platform. And whenever they want to request for a loan, they only have to type a few sentences, loan, space, and the amount they need, and it will automatically be uploaded, or it will automatically notify the loan manager at their SACCO. And the loan manager can actually be able to approve their loan from their laptop or from their phone at their savings and credit cooperative societies. And that money will be channeled right onto the phone of the farmer wherever he is, any time of the day. And the farmer can also be able to repay this loan wherever they are, any time of the day, using their phone.
Farmers, especially those in rural Uganda, apart from dealing with the challenge of access to market information, have to grapple with the inherent bureaucracy at financial institutions, which is what these young people sought to solve.
Based on my background, my desire to change the entire activity on how people in rural areas and finance agriculture. We realize that banks are not in rural villages. They are not in rural areas. What's there are saving groups and SACCOs. Now, these are the median finance institutions. These are the median source of income or finance for the small rural farmers. They have a lot of paperwork, and two, farmers no longer trust them. They had stories of people disappearing with the money. So we are inspired from those experience to come up with this solution that can enable SACCOs to mobilize savings, to get payment of loans from these farmers in the communities.
In any business, time and efficiency is key. Gerard points out that this innovation helps farmers access financial services at their convenience.
What we are doing is really improving the system that has already been existing. So we know that savings and credit cooperatives, popularly known as SACCOs, have already been mobilizing savings and have already been dispersing loans and collecting loans, but it's a very tedious process, for a smallholder farmer who has to maybe travel a kilometer or two to their nearest SACCO. And so what we are really doing is improving the system and making it possible for him to actually repay his loan in his garden. When he's cultivating, he can just disperse his savings or send his savings to his SACCO in his garden without having to travel kilometers or more.
One of the biggest problems affecting rural farmers is exploitative middlemen. Opio shows how this innovation can help.
With this kind of platform, it minimizes, how SACCOs operate. They open up an account with maybe Centenary Bank. Now that's where they deposit their money. Someone has to collect money from a SACCO office or a SACCO center and takes the money to Centenary and back it. You see, money is in hands of individuals. This application links the SACCO account with the mobile phones of these farmers. Farmer can directly deposit the money to Centenary Bank where the SACCO has his account. And the system generates history of how Opio has been saving with the SACCO account. So the SACCO manager will only have printout to prove that Opio has been being an active saver with our account.
Even these young entrepreneurs have had to contend with numerous challenges.
You cannot work in isolation as a company. You need people that and companies that can complement what you do. And I think for us that has been a big thing. We've been enabling farmers access markets, but we need to have partners that actually buy this produce. And we've been reaching out to a couple of companies. Some of them have bought, but I think there's still a lot of opportunities. If millions of farmers have to access markets, we need partners on board. Even for financing, we need partners that can be able to use our platform to access finance to farmers through this platform, you know. And there are so many organizations that are interested in financing farmers, but they do not know an easy and secure way to do that. And our product offers them the opportunity to do that.
Nevertheless, their business has grown, and they have a good number of farmers and financial institutions on board.
In terms of farmers, we have 1,000 farmers. They have registered on the system. You'll see some of them. We have 400 extension workers from 35 sub-counties. In terms of partnership, we have Uganda Kingdom, we have Vedico, we have Finca, we have Phoenix, we have Total, we have Sustainable Energy, we have Caritas, Lugazi, and Masaka. In terms of SACCOs that we have so far talked with and who are willing to work with us, we have the Parliamentary SACCO, we have WICS, Women Investment SACCO.
In their instance, these two young people did not have capital. So how did they get off the ground?
To be honest, we didn't have a coin, right? So our first capital was got from the membership fee that farmers paid us. That's how we started. Able to register a company and pay off a loan. And also to purchase a short code from Yo to learn the platform.
Their eyes are set for the sky, which they believe should be the way for the ICT enthusiasts and innovators.
The previous season, just from membership fee, we raised 15 million in 6 months. Now it is very hard to start up to raise that kind of money, but we are able to do it. You have to commit your time, you have to commit yourself to the idea. Feel it and see it working. Even if other people don't see it working, you must see the future in your idea and share that future with the rest of people you meet with. So from those kind of interaction you have with different videos, that's where you get the support to get you started.
ICT provides a lot of opportunities right now, especially ICT and mobile banking. And I actually see the future of banking moving from the big building into the phone. The phone is going to be the infrastructure required for people to access financing anywhere, or wherever they are at any time. And ICT is becoming extremely popular now. And ICT is helping become the link, you know, between people that are not easily connected. It's the thing that connects them. ICT includes mobile phones, internet, and so many other applications.
These young entrepreneurs do not regret time and energy invested in this innovation because it has changed their lives.
We won the hackathon here in Uganda and also participated in the regional hackathon in Rwanda just this month. And we beat developers and companies from 9 other countries in sub-Saharan Africa to win the ultimate award.